my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look Thursday. Put your drink, got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love, then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose. And we are back with another video, and as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm premium box. I got it right here, and yeah, if you want to see what I used in this box to create this look and what I got, then just keep on watching. So I took all the plastic and padding out, and this is what my box is looking like. Let me give you guys the prices and stuff. Okay, so the first thing we have is the Viseart Neutral Mattes 12 pen eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $80. I do think this palette is really pretty, but $80 is a lot of money for 12 shadows. But this is the look I created using the palette, and it is a really nice palette, especially if you like soft glam everyday type of makeup, or if you like neutral eyeshadows, then you will really like this. Would I spend $80 on this myself? Heck to the no. I could get like 10 palettes from ColourPop for that price. But if you want to splurge and you think this is your type of vibe, definitely go for it. You won't regret it. Next is the Elements Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. This retails for $82. It's the anti-wrinkle multi-use eye mask for fine lines and tired looking eyes, which I have. It says that it brightens, rejuvenates, and hydrates. I need something like this in my life. So this is what the actual product looks like. Really nice packaging. Really nice product. I did not get to use this in today's video, but I will incorporate this in my skincare routine. The eye cream that I currently am using is going bad, I think, because I lost the cover that keeps it sealed. Next is the True Luscious Lucky Glow Palette. This is basically a face palette, and this retails for $46. And this is what it looks like. Those are all 6 shades. So for me, these two are highlighters. This is obviously a blush, and then these 3 are bronzers. This one has like a sheen to it, but I used all of this on my face today, and I think it came out pretty decent. The highlighter is really nice, not too blinding, but it sinks into the skin once you set it down with setting spray really nicely, and it does come with a nice sized mirror. So yeah, I think this is a pretty good palette. For $46, it's not bad. Would I personally purchase this? I would say maybe. It depends. So next we got a little cuticle oil. So this is the Lifestyle Co. 100% natural cuticle oil. This retails for $22. Why? I make my own cuticle oil, so I don't really need this, but I will use it. This smells horrendously bad. I don't know, but it's like a roller ball. Guess I could have used this. This is a weird applicator for cuticle oil. I think this is nice if you like to take care of your nails. It does smell weird, but it feels really nice on the nails. So I guess I left my cuticles looking a little bit more hydrated, but it is really greasy-ish. So I completely forgot to use these because I forgot they were in the box, but these are the Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. The packaging is really nice. I definitely would have used these if I remembered. I love the I don't know if it's called Ferrule or Barrel, but I love the rose gold and white on them. They do feel really nice and soft. So yeah, I will try these out probably in my next video, which is going to be the Maven Beauty video that I'm filming. And I don't know if I said this or not, but those retail for $34.95. That's expensive. So last but not least is the Elizabeth Ma It's So Big Volumizing Mascara, and this retails for $20. Okay, The box is super cute just because I like pink and the lashes and the eye thing is cute. But this mascara is not worth $20. If I was gonna buy this, I would buy like $4 or $5. Maybe. This doesn't give you no type of volume. I put it on my lower lashes and it barely coated them. It separates the lashes nicely, but there is no volume to this, so I would definitely not recommend this at all. So those are all the products I got in my Boxycharm premium box. So if you want to see me use some of the products, then just stay tuned. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. I guess we're gonna move on to eyes. So for eyes, we have the Viseart Professional Makeup 12 pan neutral matte eyeshadow palettes. And this is what the palette looks like. I kind of was wanting this one because I love soft glam, and you could definitely create soft glam with this. It's a really neutral palette. So for eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using my Beck Issue eyeshadow primer in medium 1, and I'll just do the, you know, point and blend situation. So the next thing for the Boxycharm is mascara. So I'm going to do my wing liner and we'll come back with the mascara. So this is the Elizabeth Mott It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. We'll be the judge of that. So this is what it looks like, really basic. That is what the wand looks like. It has like maybe a little hourglass shape to it. So that is what the mascara looks like. It did give like the slightest curl, but nothing crazy, so definitely not my favorite. So I'm going to do the base and come back with the face palette. Okay, so next we have the True Plus Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. Really pretty packaging. Take out the sleeve, and it looks the same. And it does have a nice sized mirror. And I know it says bronze and highlight, but that is obviously a blush color, so it's basically a complete face palette. That is really pretty. So I'm gonna say these two are bronzers. Oh no, wait. These two are bronzers, these two are highlighters. Or maybe there's 3 highlighters, because this looks kind of shimmery. Whatever, we're gonna use this on the face. We're gonna mix these 3 for bronzer. I'm going to take the lightest shade to contour my nose. And then I'm going to use the only blush shade in here. And then for highlighter, I'm just gonna mix both of these shades because they're kind of similar. I mean, this one's more like on the rose gold pinky side, and this one's more gold. So that is all the products that I could use in the box. I will come back and we will get the final thoughts. Okay, so I only tried 2 things from the box. So my thoughts on the palette, it's really good. The shadows blend out really nicely. They're super pigmented. There is quite a bit of kick up when you dig your brush into the pen, which, you know, for the price point, it's a little crazy, but yeah, overall it's a pretty good palette. And this basically pays for the whole box and more. And then the Elizabeth Mott's It's So Big mascara. What is this even? It didn't even do nothing for my bottom lashes. This mascara sucks. And everything else I could not try. So I'll try to keep you updated in the description box. But yeah. This is the end of this Boxycharm unboxing. So if you enjoyed, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys thought, or if you got the same thing as me, or if you got something different. And if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. I would love to have you guys join the Rose family. And I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Can you play that again? Give me some fire, baby. We've been through the 305 highway. Loving like a ride too fast.